let's start with chapter number 11, the village, panchayat and municipal corporation. In India, people live in both villages also and cities also. Okay, to look after village and cities, we have two bodies that work for us. That is village panchayat at village level, municipal corporation at city. जो city और town को देखते हैं वो municipal corporation. Where they live, they all need pakka. In India, people live in both village and cities. Where they live, they all need pakka roads, streets, clean water, electricity, school, hospital. These things are termed as civic amenities. देखो जहाँ भी हम रहते हैं, we want all civic amenities like we need clean water, proper school, hospital, sanitation. ठीक है? These are the civic amenities that we need where we live. In villages, village panchayat exists to provide these facilities. In cities, we have municipal committee और municipal corporation. Village में village पंचायत ये सब चीजें अवेलेबल करवाता है हमें, और cities और towns में कौन करता है? Municipal corporation और municipal committee. First is village panchayat. What is village panchayat? Every big village in our country has village panchayat. If the village is not big enough, 2 or 3 villages share a village panchayat. अगर बड़ा village है तो एक village पंचायत हो जाए, छोटे छोटे है तो 2 या 3 क्या करती हैं, एक ही village पंचायत को share करते हैं. The member who elect the panchayat are 18 years of age and above. The candidate contesting this election must be about 21 years of the age and the member of the village panchayat are called panch. ठीक है, the member who elect the panchayat 18 years above होने चाहिए, और जो election को लड़ रहा है, contest कर रहा है, he or she must be 21 years above. And the member of village panchayat को क्या कहा जाता है? पंच कहा जाता है. And the minimum number is 7 and maximum is 50. There has to be at least 1/3 of women members. 1/3 of women members. These panches elect their head, who is called sarpanch or pradhan, and the village panchayat works for the betterment of the village. और जो village पंचायत है वो किसके लिए वर्क करती है? betterment of the village के लिए. आपको अच्छी रोड प्रोवाइड करेगी, वाटर फैसिलिटीज, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करेगी. Now, what are the duties of village panchayat? Getting roads and drains constructed. Providing drinking water to villagers को drinking water provide करेगी. Running primary schools, primary schools होते हैं, और क्या रन करेगी? हेल्थ सेंटर्स और डिस्पेंसरी, जैसे हम PSCs कहते हैं. ठीक है, पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर. Looking after cleanness of the village, arranging street light in the village. He will settle disputes among the villagers and he will work for the development of agriculture. अपने अपने गांव के एग्रीकल्चर पे डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम. The money needed for these work is collected from the villagers and the state government also help the villagers. State government भी help करते हैं, तो villagers से भी पैसे इकट्ठा करा जाता है. The state government sends gram sevak and gram sevikas to educate villagers regarding better crops and new ways of farming. ग्राम सेवक और ग्राम सेविका को लोगों के पास भेजा जाता है कि लोगों को एजुकेट करो कि कैसे आप अच्छी क्रॉप को उगा सकते. दे ऑल्सो एजुकेट देम हाउ टू इम्प्रूव देयर लिविंग कंडीशन, और ये इसलिए भी इम्प्रूव करता है कैसे आप अपने लिविंग कंडीशन को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. वर्क्स इन बिग सिटीज एंड पॉपुलेशन मोर देन 20 लाख. जिनकी पॉपुलेशन मोर देन 20 लाख है. Its members are elected by the people of the city. Anyone who is over 18 years of age can vote. And the cities are divided into various sections, जिन्हें हम ward कहते हैं. और हर एक ward को elect किया जाता है by the member who is elected by the people. जिस ward के लोग, जिस ward के वो लोग होंगे, अपने उसी ward के candidate को वो elect करें. Each municipal corporation must have at least 1/3 lady member. हर एक municipal corporation में 1/3 क्या होगा? आपका lady member होगा. And the head of the municipal corporation is mayor. Head of the mayor होगा. And the member of the corporation, जो member होंगे corporation के में councillors कहा जाता है. And municipal corporation works for the people of the city. किसके लिए काम करते हैं? Cities के लिए काम. And what are the duties of municipal corporation? Providing clean drinking water, building roads and streets, and providing lightning on the streets. जो streets वगैरह की lightning है वो properly work कर रही है या नहीं कर रही है. Keeping city neat and clean, running primary school, building hospitals and health centers, बिल्डिंग होलसेल मार्केट, प्रोवाइडिंग फैसिलिटीज ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट से पार्क्स वगैरह किसका काम होता है? म्युनिसिपल का। रनिंग बसेज, मेंटेनिंग फायर ब्रिगेड्स, रनिंग स्कूल फॉर डिसेबल्ड एंड रजिस्टरिंग बट एंड दैट, इट इज द वर्क ऑफ म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. Now, municipal corporation gets money for running these facilities from the people itself by the means of house tax. जो हम house tax pay कर रहे हैं, road tax pay कर रहे हैं, और जो water tax pay कर रहे हैं, it gets financial assistance from the state government. और financial assistance में मिलता है आपकी state government. Municipal committees work in small cities and big town, और जो नगर पंचायत है they work in small town. और इनके जो head होते हैं they are called chair. What are they called? Chair. Now our chapter has been completed. We will quickly revise what all we have studied in this chapter. I have told you about village panchayat and municipal corporation. We are coming. Village panchayat, they work at village level. They are elected by the village people. ठीक है, और जो मेंबर्स उन्हें पंच कहा जाता है, सरपंच कहा जाता है, हेड होता है उसे सरपंच कहा जाता है. Municipal corporation, they work in towns and cities. ठीक है, they look after the providing better facilities to the people. And they collect money from the people itself by like हम हाउस टैक्स पे करते हैं, वाटर टैक्स पे करते हैं, इससे ही मिलता है, और आपको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी से असिस्टेंट करते. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द exercise of the chapter. First is take the correct option. If the village is not big enough, how many villages share a panchayat? 2, 3 or all of these? All of these. दो भी हो सकते हैं, दो से ज्यादा भी है. हेड ऑफ द पंचेस कौन? सरपंच. जो मेंबर होता है विलेज पंचायत का, दे आर कॉल्ड पंचेस. प्रधान या विलेजेस पंचेस. द सिटीज इज डिवाइडेड इनटू वेरियस ब्लॉक्स, वार्ड्स या कैटेगरी. वार्ड्स में डिवाइडेड है. द हेड ऑफ द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन कौन होता है? आपका मेयर. मेयर क्या होता है? हेड होता है म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. डैश एजुकेट विलेजर्स रिगार्डिंग बेटर क्रॉप्स. कौन? ग्राम सेवक. Each municipal corporation and village panchayat must have at least one third woman member. The head of the village panchayat is, कौन होता है head? Your सरपंच. The head of the municipal corporation is called, कौन होता है municipal corporation का head? Mayor. Both the village panchayat and municipal work corporation works for the dash of the society. किसके लिए काम करती है? Welfare. Write T for true and F for false statement. First is the head of the punches is called gram sevak. False. क्या कहा जाता है head of punches? That is सरपंच. The person above 21 years of age can contest election of the village panchayat. It's true. Anyone who is over 18 years of age can vote and elect. It's true. The head of the municipal corporation is called mayor. It's true. The government has village panchayat. State government करती. Now write any 5 duties of village panchayat and municipal corporation. Next is match the following. Members of panchayat 18 years होने चाहिए. Head of पंच, प्रधान और सरपंच. Section wards, mayor, head of municipality, chairman, head of nagar panchayat. Now answer the following question. Who is the head of municipal corporation? Mayor. What is ward? जो आपकी सीटें हैं वो डिवाइड हो गया आपके डिफरेंट वार्ड. How many members are there in village panchayat? There are 7 members. 7 or less than 50. Describe the work of gram sevak or sevika. What they do? They go to villages and teach people about the new methods and new techniques of farming and growing. From where the village panchayat and municipal corporation get money for their work? They get from people and from the state government. Differentiate between पंच and सरपंच और village पंचायत और municipal corporation के बारे में आपको एक डिफरेंस देना, आप 4 points का डिफरेंस दे सकते हो. Now our chapter has been completed. Exercise we have done. That's all for today. Thank you.